All right, if you're interested in buying or selling Micron stock, you need to see this video. There are several things about the company's performance in the most recent quarter, and the forecasts about the upcoming quarter and the upcoming few years are something that you need to analyze, you need to digest before you make the decision on buying or selling this stock. Of course, I'm not saying that this video is going to have everything you need to know about the company before you buy or sell. But at the very least, I think these are things you should know before you make that decision, right? So one thing to know about Micron and its prospects is the company expects calendar year 2025 industry DRAM demand growth to be in the high teens percentage, right? So that means they expect growth in this segment to be 17%, 18%, or 19% year over year. That's what they mean by high teens. And then for their other segment, which is roughly one fourth of their overall business, storage, right? Their business is three-fourths DRAM and one-fourth storage, rough estimates. They expect storage bit demand growth to be in the low double digit percentages. So low double digit meaning 11%, 12%, or 13% year over year growth. So solid growth forecasts in 2025 for both their DRAM segment and their storage segment. And the good news for investors is that the DRAM segment is the more important segment, consisting roughly three-fourths of its revenue, and the management team expects that part of its business, the industry, to grow much faster or faster than the storage demand for its business. That's good news. Okay, so that's for 2025. For the medium term, which is over the next 2 to 4 years, they anticipate industry bit demand growth of mid-teens compounded annual growth for both DRAM and NAND. So that means 14, 15, 16% growth compounded annually for the next 2 to 4 years for the overall business, right? Both parts of its business. And that's very good growth, right? If Micron generates that kind, if it just grows at the industry level and it doesn't gain any market share, so it grows its revenue at 15% over the next 3 years, each and every year, I think investors would be pleased with that kind of performance.
Click the link below to watch the full video.